Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Panlasang Pinoy pork patty burger. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground pork, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs to bind everything together. For that authentic Filipino taste, we'll also use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 small onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to season our patties perfectly. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to mix them up. Place the ground pork, egg, breadcrumbs, soy sauce, minced onion, garlic, pepper, and salt into a large mixing bowl. Use your hands to thoroughly combine everything until it's well incorporated. Once mixed, divide the mixture into 4 equal portions. Carefully form each portion into a round, flat patty, aiming for about 1/2 inch in thickness. This ensures even cooking. With our patties perfectly formed, let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place your pork patties into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook each side for approximately 4 to 5 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown crust. It's crucial to ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Finally, it's time to assemble and enjoy your delicious creation. Place your hot, freshly cooked pork patties onto toasted burger buns. Enhance the experience by adding crisp lettuce, juicy sliced tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions. A generous drizzle of your favorite condiments, such as ketchup or mayonnaise, will complete your burger. Now, take a bite and savor the wonderful flavors of your homemade Panlasang Pinoy pork patty burger. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.